So I am finishing the rock wall. So we've got concrete blocks out here. We're finishing this up. We've got 6 more pallets coming shortly. When I built this first section of this block wall, we built from this height down and then down to where I'm working at now. And all these blocks on the top were left inside of the plastic wrap that they come in on the pallet over a winter and into a summer. And the heat transfer and then the rain and the condensation buildup basically pulled out the calcium chloride, I think is what is in the concrete. It pulled it to the surface and it stained it white. So I have pressure washed this stuff. I've used, it's called 30 seconds cleaner. It's an exterior grade cleaner to try and get this white staining off, and it doesn't come off. I'm sure there's some chemical out there that I'm unaware of that will remove this, but the reality is I've got all these brand new blocks, and we're gonna go ahead and do a 1-for-1 swap out and use these stained ones for the base row down underneath the ground where you won't really see it that much. Go straight. as you guys saw, we got the blocks delivered. That was delivered by Mutual Materials. That's a local supplier here in Western Washington, although I think they're all over the state and country for that matter. We went ahead and set the base row, then started stacking the bricks. We got about 4 high, and then we did the backfill. That's to make sure the wall doesn't collapse backwards on itself. Once we got that backfill done, we added the rest of them. We got up all the way up to, I think we're what, 9 rows high. We tapered it off, and then right at the end there, you saw us bring in the nice, clean, sifted dirt, plant grass on it. As you can see, we're standing on brand new grass. In any case, I really hope you guys got something out of this one. This isn't a how-to video. This is just how I did it. So this one's all taken care of for now, and we're able to continue on getting the hardscaping done / landscaping. I hope you got something out of this one. If nothing else, just some entertainment. Till next time, thanks for watching.